Hey everyone, Xiaomi has officially introduced the Watch S4, a sleek new wearable designed with a vibrant display, fitness versatility, and smart connectivity. Debuting in China, the Watch S4 boasts both aesthetic appeal and an extensive set of features, making it a standout in Xiaomi's smartwatch lineup. Here's a closer look at what this watch has to offer. The Watch S4 shines with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display that offers crisp visuals at 466 by 466 resolution. With a peak brightness of 2,200 nits, the display remains vibrant and easily readable even in bright outdoor conditions, which is perfect for on-the-go users. Adding a touch of customization, Xiaomi has included an interchangeable bezel, allowing users to easily switch up the look to match various styles or occasions. In terms of build, the Watch S4 is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, making it reliable for workouts and outdoor activities in all weather. With a weight of 44.5 grams and measuring 47.3 by 47.3 by 12 millimeters, it's designed for comfortable daily wear without adding noticeable bulk. Designed for the fitness enthusiast, the Watch S4 provides over 150 sports modes that span various types of exercise, from conventional workouts to more specialized activities. For health tracking, the watch monitors heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress levels. An integrated running course, coupled with AI-powered exercise assistance and route planning, adds an extra layer of functionality for athletes and casual joggers alike. Xiaomi is offering two models of the Watch S4, one of which supports eSIM functionality. This means users can stream music, make calls, and send messages independently, eliminating the need to stay connected to a smartphone. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable connectivity with iOS and Android smartphones. With its ability to work across multiple satellite systems, users can expect accurate GPS tracking even in remote areas. A notable addition to the Watch S4's connectivity suite is its dual-mode walkie-talkie feature. Whether you're out on a hike or in a crowded event, this feature allows users to communicate seamlessly with other walkie-talkie compatible devices nearby, which could prove useful in various situations. The Watch S4 extends its utility to smart home management, allowing users to control Xiaomi smart home devices with just a few taps. Text responses, emojis, and message notifications can all be handled on the watch, providing a well-rounded communication experience on the wrist. Regionally in China, the Watch S4 can also function as an NFC car key for compatible vehicles, a highly convenient feature for Xiaomi users who want to unlock their car or even start it using just the watch. However, this feature may not be available in all regions if Xiaomi chooses to expand the Watch S4 internationally. In China, the Watch S4 is priced starting at around $140, making it competitively priced given its extensive features and functionality. There is no official word on an international release as of now, but it's likely that Xiaomi could expand its availability depending on demand. The Xiaomi Watch S4 is a strong entry into the smartwatch market, equipped with advanced fitness tracking, connectivity, and smart home control options that make it more than just a timepiece. With its attractive display, eSIM model, and dedicated AI-driven exercise assistance, the Watch S4 could be a game-changer for Xiaomi fans and fitness-conscious users looking for a stylish and powerful smartwatch solution. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will ask them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.